Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, The Hunting Bonsai. In today's video I'm just going to be repotting some larches because they've been in these pots for a few years now and they're starting to split, so I think it's time to get them into the training pots. We've got 3 to do. This one I cut out to make a showing on marmere, so we'll get that into a little pot. This one I added a bit twist into the tree. We're going to have to reduce the height because it's too tall. So we'll see what that one looks like, but the pot's solid. And I've got, and this big fellow at the back here, which has got a nice twist in it. So we'll get him out and in the pot. So what we'll do is, we'll get them all raked out, prepare the pots, and we'll get them potted up. So we'll start with a little one. Just going to rake away and we'll see what we've got. The soil's nice and dry, so it's coming off easy. Space them out when it's in the pot. So I've prepared all the pots. We'll do the little one first. I want to take that root off there, because it's too high. And that one. what I want to do is just try and space them out a bit. Where's the front? Oh, there. I think I've used too much wire. So I've got the roots spaced out. We can correct the roots next year on the tree a bit better. Get some chopsticks in. Just a little cheap Chinese pot. One down. I'll just speed this one up because it gets boring watching people pot. So we'll get that one already potted. I want to remove these few branches at the bottom because they're too low. So we'll create that as the first branch. Second, take that one off. I'll not be wiring the deer. I'm just going to give it a prune back. Take them off. New apex. I'm just cutting back to a bud. We'll let it recover. Then later on we'll put a bit of shape into it. Howard's going off it. I didn't tear that off there. Right, there we go. Decision made. I'm dying to put some wire on, like, but I'm not. Too much can kill it. I want to take the middle out on there. First branch, back branch. This could be some sort of broom style, this one. So we've got them two done. We've got that big one in there. If there's any vine weevil in that, I'm going to have to repot the rest of the larches, what's being kept on the floor, because it'll be full. Then I'll have to get some bravado and treat the trees. So there's a look at the larches. They don't look like much at the minute, but they should grow in nice. I've also repotted some Chinese juniper cuttings I had. So that's just 3 little larches getting potted up. So I left a good bit of twig on. Once it grows, we can cut back to where we want. That might end up with broom style, that one. Small little marmia are showing broom style. This one with a twist, I'll let grow and we can see what we can do with that later on. When I've got a load of larch seedlings, I just put a bit of shape into it. We'll see what happens. Then that's the last one with nice movement into here, and that's the new apex. It's a good job I ended up repotting them, especially with the vine weevil in, because they tap the roots and would end up only killing them if I didn't repot them. What I'll have to do now is check all the rest of the larches that's on the floor, get them out. I think there's about 10 or 11, so I might just create a group in another video so we can address the issue with the vine weevil. So that's it for this video, just a little video on repotting a few larches. I'd just like to say thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!